Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair and just now I have gone with sellers. Why? If you check, overall trend is a downtrend. By seeing itself, you can identify the trend looks like in a downtrend. And you know that obviously we have added two levels only. One is resistance and second one is support area. And we'll talk about support now. Here if you check one thing, at the support area, already the market has tested the same level twice. So now obviously you can expect a selling candle and I will mention you the reasons. If you observe last 10 candles, you have a selling momentum which is a strong one at the level. You got two retracements. After that, instantly sellers have been entered. The last two candles, if you observe, the sellers are getting stronger and no lower rejection. So obviously you can expect a selling candle here because sometimes the market will break the levels too. So obviously we can win. Okay, we will try in the gold because up to now in the YouTube videos I didn't try in the gold. Okay, let's move on to the gold. Okay, here can I go with sellers here? By seeing itself you can identify that the market was in a buying time, but all of a sudden the market made an U-turn at the selling area. See, there was a level at the previous. Obviously the market has been breakout and it was a selling candle. Let me plot the level. Here I have a resistance and I want to show you one more point here. So many are asking, sir, is there any round number over there? Yes, there is a round number over there. You can check. I didn't mention this many times, but round number in the sense, those act like a level at certain areas where you didn't find the actual levels. There you can expect a round numbers here. See, there was 5190. There was a round number. From that area, it was rejected. Previously also it has been working. So that's why I have it work. Can I go with sellers again? Here, I want to mention you one point. Why I have gone with sellers. Most of the times I have mentioned a word, sir, after momentum, two candles, we can easily expect a retracement, right? Same scenario. But here, why I have went for sellers? If you check one thing, there was a momentum previous of the buyers I am talking about. If you observe the last candle, what did you notice? The last candle was an exhaustion candle. The market, the momentum has been started, but at the end of the last three candles, if you notice, continuously weakness. Later, instantly one candle wiped out all the buyers. Later, the sellers have been entered and the second candle is a strong one. So that's why third one I have gone with sellers. So try to understand. Okay. So whenever, if you have any doubts, you can message me in the Telegram. Okay. See, finally, we got win. Okay. Now what could be the next candle? Here I have a level which we call as previous support become resistance. And what is your call here? Do we go with support? Sorry, buyers or sellers? Here I will go with sellers. Let me take the trade first. One second. Okay. Here, did I get any weakness in the market? If you get weakness, think about a reversal. Otherwise, don't need to think about a reversal. And okay, I have a question for you. Recently, there are few students that have been shown the screenshots regarding the trades they are facing in the losses. In that, I have commonly one point I have noticed. Most of the people are going against the momentum. They are mentioning, sir, you have been traded like this means. Okay, I will show you live example. Even if I take trades against the momentum, I will end up with losses. Okay, now I will show you one thing. Okay, here we got win. Okay, left side there is a buying area, right? From that area you got a strong buyer's momentum, right? So I will go with buyers here. Okay, let me go with buyers here. One second, let me take the trade first. Here, both the common situations. Here I have a strong selling momentum, left side also strong buying momentum. So here 50-50 chance. But I want to show you if what happens if I go against the moment, even if me also whatever it is. We'll see what will happen. Because whenever you are in a momentum, try to follow the momentum because momentum is stronger. It can easily break the levels instantly. So you need to remember these things. See, here I have a level, right? So already the market has been break. So that's why only I have gone with a reversal. But if I have gone against the momentum, we'll see what will happen. Will I win or lose? We'll see. So you need to understand the market. Then only easily you can find the trades. Okay. See, even if I go also momentum, I will lose. I will show you one more thing. Here, most of the people, what they will do means, here they will again go with buyers. Let me show you this one reality also. Let me go with buyers first. See, here I have taken a buying candle. But here, did you find any weakness? Actually, this trade also wrong. Because you are knowing, because most of them mentioned, sir, we are facing losses at this kind of, if you trade this kind of areas means you will end up with losses only. Because I have mentioned you so many points. Even I have got 2 losses continuously. Maybe this one also will sellers will come easily because you can see there is no weakness in the selling momentum. It is a strong candle. Obviously, we can say that. So don't expect a reversal trades when you are in a momentum. Even at the levels also, if there are levels means, yeah, check for the weakness. Otherwise, don't go blindly. Okay. See, here the sellers are interested, as I mentioned before itself. See, the selling candle only come. Now we will come to the reality. Okay, now I will trade. Okay, here I have an opportunity of buyers. Now I will officially go with buyers. Okay, last 2 examples, but now I will trade for the real. Okay, here I will plot one more zone. Okay, here let me take the trade first for the buyers. Okay. Here I have plotted a zone. One is a black line, second one is support area. This zone is full of buyers, and you can say, sir, up to now it was no buyers. Then how can you expect from here particularly means if you notice the zone, there are wicks which are interlinked to the both the areas. So that's why I'm mentioning. So try to understand what I'm saying. Major levels try to find out. There you can expect. Okay. The trend came to an end. So here you can expect a buying candle. Don't go blindly every time. So that's why I have mentioned you. Don't go with against the momentum. And even if I trade also, I have shown you live example. We will end up with losses only. See, here we got win. Now there is a point. After momentum, can I expect one more candle here? Obviously, I can go with sellers. So now I can go with sellers here. So that is the point what I am talking about. Whenever you are facing losses means, try to rectify those things. If you can't understand, don't think deeply because the reasons will be simple only. Maybe you couldn't know, you couldn't find. Yeah, you better to ask someone who knows better than you. Or try to observe the charts easily. Maybe you could find better results. Okay, don't go for each and every candle, and I have shown you the examples too. Okay, so in trading we need some discipline too because every area we could find there is an opportunity, but in the reality it will be manipulated sometimes, not the market, our mindset. So try to understand because our mind think everywhere we have opportunity, every candle is ours, but some candles are specifically ours. So try to understand these things. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can I go with buyers? Yeah, here I can go with buyers, but with margin of safety on. Let me take the trade first. Yes, I have got perfect entry. Can you explain why? Yeah, obviously I have mentioned you one thing. It is a zone where the buyers have been entered previously also. But here, what did you understand? You have seen the candle which was closed exact at the area where the buyers have been entered. So that is the reason only I can go with buyers here. And after momentum, we need to wait. So try to understand what I'm talking about. So whenever if you find this kind of opportunities, try to check twice that you are taking trades whether at the right area or not. When you are at a momentum, try to follow the momentum. Okay. Still, if you have any doubts, yeah, you can message me in the Telegram. And if you like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos regarding binary trading. See, we got wins. What is the next candle? Can I go with buyers? Don't ask me why, because the wick itself indicates that you can go with buyers. The wick was rejected from the level where we have been plotted, the level where we have been drawn. So try to understand, okay? So obviously, when you have valid points, easily you can find a better way for the trading. So try to understand what I'm talking about. After this candle, I will close the session. Maybe I think you have been understand regarding the momentum, regarding the area where we need to and how the tips we need to follow the regarding momentum areas. Okay. So any chart is okay, but the reality is our mindset. It should be perfect means any chart is okay for you. Remember this thing. Don't trade for every candle. Some will dedicate for the confirmations. Okay. Okay, guys. Finally, we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.